Alright, it's a how-to time, and this is going to be an how-to video on how to make a GIF file using a video. Creating a GIF file using a video I created while playing Dota 2. I love Dota 2. My Phantom Assassin destroying a sniper. Basically, you want to make the videos as small as you can. This video is only about a second long, a little over a second. And what you're going to do is use Photoshop to convert this over into a GIF file. Try to pick something that you like in the animation from the video when you do the upload. So I use Photoshop CS6 is the best Photoshop out right now. And it's perfect for using HDR and GIF files. Actually, I'll do an HDR video at some point. And what you want to do is go to File and import video frames to layers. Find your video. You can reduce the size of the, or actually reduce the frames in the video if the video is too long to make it easier to edit from here, but being it's only a second long, you can just run with it and do it from beginning to end. Alright, let's go up to 66.67. Alright, once you have the video uploaded, you want a good start point. A successful GIF has a good start and end point, so it's like a smooth transition. This one isn't smooth, because we have a start point of her, she's dazed, and an end point, which is the 44th frame, and she's turning to run away. So what you want to do is pick up a point where she's in the same or close to the same position, start and finish. So let's see, go through frame by frame. She's dazed, she's dazed, she's dazed, and at frame 7, the daze is off and she's facing them. That'll be a perfect start point. So let's get rid of the first 6 frames. You want to select, hold down shift and click the last frame, and it'll select all of the frames and delete it. So now we have a nice start frame, start point with her just facing him, turn around and destroys him. Now we want a end point. The last frame, she's running away, running away, running away, running away, running away. She's facing him at 33, 32, she's more balanced, 31, same frame, and 30, like she's getting out of the slash animation. So a good endpoint will be at 30, 31. So we want to get rid of 32 to 38. Shift select, delete, and let's look at the video. Alright, there we go. We have a good start and finish. She starts in a hold position, finish in that same hold position, which is great. Now we want to work on the speed. Again, shift select the entire timeline. Speaking of which, the window that you're using to create the GIF file is timeline. Timeline and layers. I'm not really going to do anything on the layers, but timeline is the one to use to create the GIFs. Sorry, I skipped that. And what you do is click at the time at the bottom once you select all the frames, go to other, and this is how you edit the frames to what you want. There's some preset ones, but we're going to go with things that are slower than the presets because I want this to be slowed down. Let's go with 0.07. I like 0.07 for a lot of GIFs, so that's why I chose that. And 0.07 looks good. You don't want to make it too fast or too slow. Let's give you an example what it looked like too fast. Let's go. I'm not gonna go with 10. That's way too fast. Let's go with 2.0. 2.0 is the delay, so it's super, 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 super slow. Look at that. That's way too slow. And let's go with something a little faster, like 0.01, which is going to be way too fast. It's not that fast, but it's faster than. Regardless, I'm going to go with the 0.07 because that's what I use for pretty much all the GIF files that I make. Now we want to reduce the size and clutter. Let's get rid of the clutter first. There's too much things on the screen. I just want it to be focused on the 2 characters. So get my selection tool and we're going to select what we want. Looks good. I have her shadows are in name is in, and I want to select a little past sniper just because there will be blood splatter. I want to capture some of that. Once you have this selected, select your first frame before you use the selection tool, and then you go to image. Once you have your selection and you want to crop it, get rid of everything, and you only focus on what you want, and there it is. Shadows are in, blade is in, the blood splatter, the crit. So this is a good animation. Now, as far as getting rid of the clutter, speed, that's taken care of. Now we want to get rid of, fix the size. This is 66. Go up to 100. That's a little bit too big. You want to shrink this down, because right now this is probably about 3 megabytes or 3.5 to 4 megabytes. You want to get this down to under 1. That's the key. You want to get your GIF to look good, run good, and you want to have it small, under a megabyte. To see what size it is right now, you can just go, you just look down there, it's 3.45 megabytes. Go to save as web and it'll give you a breakdown. 3.22 converted. So we want to get that smaller. So again, select your first image, go to image and click on image size, and change pixel to percentage, and we want to cut this down to about 53%. 53%. Let's see how it looks. Looks great. It's condensed. Video looks a little sharper. And let's see how big it is right now. It is 9.68. I mean, 968 KB. That's not bad. Kind of want it under 900 KB, so I'm gonna go back to history and delete the size and just resize that to 51%. I want to get it under 900 KB just because of Tumblr. Tumblr is a great site, but GIFs have a hard time on that site if they're close to a megabyte. So, I want to get it under 900. See where it's at right now. 912, which is good enough. And we'll just run with that. See the animation, and we're just going to save it. Save for web, and I'm not changing any of this. The color, not going to get it any better. I don't want to change anything because of the size, because it's perfect at 912. I don't want to make it stronger or weaker, so this is perfect. Let me save it. Dota 2 GIF, and let's see what it looks like animated. Oh, there it is. You can always go smaller, but again, the characters in Dota are so small because it's an overhead shot, kind of like Diablo 3. So unless you have editing rights with Dota, you can get like a first-person view or third-person view over the shoulder. I can't do it because I don't have those. This is the best bet right now, but you can do this with anything. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks.